Hi my loves, Happy New Year. I asked on Instagram if you guys would be interested in seeing this vlog and 90% of you said yes. So today I have for you a vlog that I filmed just before Christmas. Please forgive my eyelashes, by the way. I'm trying desperately to get them off my face. If you have any tips, please let me know. I have been like putting oil on them and all sorts, but I just can't get them off. We're going with the Christmassy vlog. I thought it would be nice to just wrap up 2018, get this vlog up for you guys, and then we can start fresh on some 2019 content. But I really hope you guys had a good holiday period. But let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, today is Saturday the 15th, I think. It's the night after Tanya's party and I am really hungover. As I get older, these hangovers just get worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. My hips really hurt. I don't know if this is like a really weird thing, but when I'm hungover I often get hip or back pain. It must be the way I hold myself or the way I tense my muscles when I'm drunk. I don't know what it is. My hips really hurt, which is really uncomfortable just for walking and stuff. So I've taken some Nurofen and I'm hoping that it's gonna kick in soon. But Zach's gone to pick his parents up from the station, and then once they arrive we are going to go to Bistro Tech, which I am super excited about. I think I did vlog it last time we went. We really liked it in there and we thought it'd be a nice place to take Zach's parents, so we're going to do that this morning and I'm so excited. I think I'll feel better once I've got some food and a few drinks, as in like juice, coffee, water, Diet Coke. One other issue I'm having is that my entire face is peeling off, which is good news in the grand scheme of things, because that's kind of what I wanted from the facial, but bad news because I look like a lizard. No one can come too close to me today. I did try and put the Complexion Rescue over the top. I think it only made it look worse, because you know when you just put like coverage on something like that and it just, yeah, but then I couldn't be bothered to take it off, so we're just going with it. But yeah, my face is peeling off and now I'm like eternally grateful to these lashes, even though I didn't know why I got them, but now I'm like, now I know why you got the lashes for this time of year, because I could not be bothered to do my makeup this morning and obviously my face is peeling off, so I need to distract people. So loving the lashes. You see I've got my water here, but I really want a Diet Coke, but Zach's bringing me back one and I'm so excited. Here are my drinks. I've already popped my yolk, as you can see. I almost forgot to vlog. Look at this. Pretty good. No windows. Just doing you guys a little tour of White City House. I'm not staying here, obviously, but it's all done in like a 60s style. Look how cute this dressing table is. And this wardrobe. Basically eating it all now. My drink is taking up the whole shop. Hi guys! So I was supposed to vlog this morning, but I did not, because we have been rushing around like headless chickens, packing because it's Christmas and we are driving to the farm. I thought today would be a nice day to vlog because we are driving home for Christmas today. I'm super excited, but yeah, the car is full of stuff. We were packing. I had to go pick up a present from Laura Lee, two presents from Laura Lee this morning. So yeah, we are on our way officially to Oxfordshire. I am covered in stuff, as you can see. I've got a advent calendar here. Yeah, but it's all exciting. But anyway, I'm going to put the Christmas music on now and we are going to drive off. There's Zach. Just got his haircut yesterday for the first time in a billion years. Oh, and I got a haircut. Actually, I wanted to talk to you guys about this because I know we talked about the extensions and I kind of agreed that I would do that, but then we're actually going away in February, going to St. Lucia in February, and then after that Zach and I, we're going with my family, but then after that Zach and I are going to go on to Memphis to see my dad, which is super exciting. deciding to maybe do a little bit of road tripping around the south, and I was like, extensions are going to be a right faff for that, and I didn't have time to do it before Christmas. And then I was like, but I really want my hair a little bit shorter again because it was driving me nuts at the length that it was. So we've cut it back shorter. I actually think it could have gone shorter again, even than what it currently is. So we both had haircuts. We're feeling fresh for Christmas. I've got Christmassy nails as well, which I got done yesterday. But this week has been really just a lot of rushing around, so not very vloggable. Just doing errands, loads of errands. I think that's all I have to update you guys on for now. So we have arrived. I'm feeling a little bit exhausted, to be honest. Just carted some of the stuff upstairs. I think I might need a nap, but Zach and I've got to take a quick picture. I think that should be the last bit of worky stuff that I need to do before Christmas. So guys, we took our pictures. I had a quick nap. Oops. How long do you think I was asleep for, Zach? Got a Diet Coke. Zach's watching football. And I am obsessed with these room games at the moment. I've just discovered them. I just played the last one and now I'm playing the first one. But I'm loving them. So guys, Zach's just left to go home to his family. I'm a little bit sad. I will miss him. He's going to come back on Christmas Day, I think. I am going to run myself a bath, I think. A Christmassy bath is in order. After that, I'm going to unpack all the things and put them away. I was going to do some wrapping today, but Indy said she wanted to do my wrapping. She just really loves present wrapping, which is honestly like God's gift to me and my mum. So I think I'm only going to wrap her presents. And Zach's taken up his family's presents. He said he wanted to wrap those tomorrow. So I was like, do you know what? If you want to do that, mate, I think I'm out of wrapping presents apart from Indy's presents. I mean, depends how much Indy wants to wrap, but I am always amazed by her capacity. I'm like, are you not bored yet? She always wants to keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna run myself a bath, put everything away, unpack properly so I'm all cozy for Christmas. So I'm gonna use this Santa that I actually bought last year. Should have gone to Lush this year. That usually makes me feel quite festive. I get my candles burning. We've got myrrh and baked apple. This is from one of my past advent calendars. And I'm gonna burn both of these because why not? It's Christmas. You guys. Today, as I was packing my makeup, wow, so pink. Please colour correct yourself. I don't know why I'm so pink. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go with it. Today, whilst I was packing my makeup up, I said to Zach, do not let me forget makeup brushes because it's something that I often forget and it really annoys me. And what have I done? I have forgotten my makeup brushes. So it looks like I'm going to be treating myself to some new ones in Boots tomorrow. Maybe I'll even leave them out here so that this doesn't happen to me again. I have some like weird makeup brush mind blank and I have them on a list. And the list always says makeup brushes at the top because I always forget them. Hey guys, I had not done my advent calendar yet today. Why won't it stay open? Please. What day is it? 22nd, isn't it? Where is it? Here we go. Here we are. Oh, it's pomander. This is one of my favourites. It smells like oranges. So have you seen my Christmas sheets? Did I show you guys these before? Can't remember. Here they are. I don't know why this light is like making this whole room pink because in real life it's actually quite yellow. Must be something on this camera. I might switch to my better camera in a minute, but yay, I love this smell. It's one of my favorites. If you like orangey kind of fresh smells, you'll like this one, but it's also a bit clovey, so it's good for Christmas. Hooray! These are some of my ones from years previous. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's drop him in. Fizzing away. I don't know what colour he goes actually. I assume like a pinky red. Oh, looks like there could be a surprise in there actually, like a green. Yay! Okay, my loves, it is definitely a green bath. Lurid green, some might say. Or Christmassy. So out of the farm I have these Mandara Spa body butters. And these are so good. They smell really strong and they're really super moisturising. I think you can get them at Sainsbury's or something, I'm not sure, but I would highly recommend these. as like just a really good, effective body butter that's also going to make you smell delicious, because so many moisturisers out there just don't really actually moisturise. So here I am in my cozy PJs. These are super soft. Ooh, they've got some bobby pins on them, but these, I think my mum got these for me last Christmas, and they're from Victoria's Secret, and they are so soft. So I'm feeling all cozy now. I'm settling down for the night. I've just finished the Room game. Love it. Never really done a puzzle game before because I thought I'd be too stupid for it, but they give you a lot of hints, so we're all good. I'm probably going to read my book for until I fall asleep, basically. Currently reading Everything Under by Daisy Johnson. Wow, I just held that up upside down. I don't mind this book. I like bits of it, but it's not very Christmassy. It's kind of a bit sad, but we will keep on going with it. Yeah, and then I'm going to go to sleep because I'm super tired. Been another busy day today, and I'm here for Christmas now.